Well, that was interesting. Turned the bike on, warmed it up, and it started smelling burning plastic, and I'm like, oh no, no, no. Turns out it's not the, it's not my bike. It's good, because people smoking some shit. Might take an alternate route home today. We're gonna head off, maybe hit a pen on the way back, but we're at Powerhouse Gym right now. Just finished up a killer leg session with Taylor. Ton of fun. Back on the bike. And we got the new boosted battery up here, which is cool. It's much lighter. Took off a decent amount of weight. Feels a lot better. There was a nice bike that pulled in here a minute ago. I kind of want to roll around and see. There's an Aprilia that came through. There's always a lot of nice cars in this parking lot in general. There it is. Check that thing out. RS660. That's beautiful. Probably a 4-cylinder. Or maybe a 2-cylinder if it's a 660 instead of a 600. But beautiful bike either way. Fucking can't. Nope, don't want to get into first. Or in neutral. There we go. Okay, so that's right. What I wanted to do was get this going before I hit the road. Get a little tunage started. There we go. Turn it way down so it's just some background. All right, let's get moving. Got the Rhino Walk vest on and the front tank bag. So we got all kinds of stuff going on. We're all geared up and ready to rock and roll. I'm gonna need my vent open. I have a feeling. Alright, sweet. Got some periphery. We also got some new levers on the bike. I'm not sure if you can see those. The orange ones down here, they flip up. So in case of a crash, we have a little bit of help there. Let's get out of here. Oh, what a nice day. It's like almost 60 degrees outside. And post-workout, I'm always warmer, so it feels fucking phenomenal right now. But yeah, the new levers are feeling good. They're adjustable, so I can adjust like how far out they are. This one's a little loose right now. I gotta tighten up that clutch a touch, but otherwise it's really doing great. Everything feels good. So we'll kind of keep it there for now at least. But yeah, good workout with Taylor. We did legs today, did our first set of hack squats, which is a whole new experience for me. I really enjoyed that. We got the hack squats, and then we also did like leg press and stuff like that. Maxed that out for myself. Got up to 8 on 6 plates on each side, which I think is around like 585, which I am happy with that. That's a lot of weight. Almost double my max body weight that I've ever gotten to. I've been up to 240, 260 before, so maybe it was above double my max body weight. Either way, felt great. Felt like a good time. But we have a little bit of a new mic on our bike today, which hopefully is going to pick up some bike audio. I've been rolling around with that earlier today. I haven't been able to hear it yet, so I'm curious what it sounds like for sure. But yeah, hopefully the new audio sounds good. I've got a little mic that's down here, kind of wired up to this one. I figured it'd be easier than using the F2 like I was before. Still getting used to the new clutch lever. But yeah, stream went well. We had like 4 people watching at the end, which is big for me. Again, if you want to check out the live streams, they're Jolly Roger Live on Twitch. It's where I do all my live streaming, everything including bike stuff, lifting, and gaming. Soon we're going to be out on the road doing some adventures, and actually tomorrow, not tomorrow, but the next day, starts our Colorado journey with Curtis. Which is going to be a hell of a lot of fun. We're going to be rolling around like nuts, getting him out to Colorado as quickly as we can, and then getting me back as quickly as we can. I'm driving him out there. He's paying me to tow his car on a little flatbed trailer. Yeah, we're about a half tank of gas. We're fine. Slowing down so much. Alrighty. Well, part of the reason why we got this new boosted battery, there's a bit of a story to it. And the story is that I wanted to get the 1-inch lens, the Leica 1-inch lens, on the 1R, which is the older version of the camera that I have, the 1RS. The 1RS has been working great. The 1R is slightly older, and I don't really see too much of a difference between them. I think one can use internal stabilization and apply it directly in camera, and the other one can't. And I think that's sort of the major difference between the two of them. But they interface with the same lenses. They both use the 360 twin lens and the 4K lens. I don't know if you can use it. I don't think that you can use the 1R with the 1-inch 360, like the big boy. I keep forgetting that there's another mic out here. I gotta be careful of it. So I don't think that it uses the 1-inch 360 lens, but you can put a 1RS on that and then a 1R on one of these lenses, and you're fine. It's the same thing. Yeah, the only difference seems to be like some of the lenses that are accessible, like on this with the 4K with the 1R, you don't get the FPV view, which is what I'm using right now, which is actually wider than the 1R's wide-angle Leica lens. However, there is still a huge difference between them, because that Leica 1-inch lens has a 1-inch sensor, which means it's much more sensitive to low light, and that's a big deal. Why is that a big deal, you ask? Let me make sure my mic is working. Yeah, all right. So why is that a big deal? 1-inch sensor versus 1/2, so like a 1/2-inch sensor, you get a ton more light on your sensor, like literally about double. So low light performance is way, way, way improved, even if the wide angle isn't quite as wide, because you can set that one to wide. You can't set it to like FPV view or anything like that, but at least you get that, right? It's still very wide. It's still like a 14mm lens. It works great because of it. We tested it out a little bit. I have yet to try it with like a legit setup, or a more legit setup, I should say. Nice. Okay, that's good. That felt a little loose for some reason. So, while not quite as wide, it does give us exceptional low light capabilities, as far as I can see. The difference is super grainy image with the 4K lens versus not very grainy at all with the 1 inch. So, you know, hell, we'll take it. Hang on, just a little bit. So the idea is that we are going to get a mic adapter for the 360, the long boy, the tall boy, 1 inch 360, and then we will use the 1 inch 5.3K wide angle lens, give us higher resolution as well, for night shoots. And I'm super excited for that because I've been waiting to ride the bike around at night. We're gonna take it right here, because why the fuck not? So yeah, expect some night shoots soon. We're gonna test it out. I'm really hoping that it works out well. But that's really all I wanted to talk to you about today. That's the only thing that sort of popped into my head. So we're gonna do a little riding, and hopefully you enjoy. In like second gear. That's a real bike right there. Gixxer 750. Dude, that thing's tight. That's awesome. That's sick. Yeah. Yeah, I got you. I got you. I'm just cruising around. I saw that thing. I was like, yeah, hell yeah. This thing is a single. Not even close to that. Yeah, you going to the meet on like May 8th? Steel Stacks. The charity event. I'm shooting it. If you're there, I'll get shots of your bike. You're good, yeah.
You said there's a meet?
Yeah, it's like an event, charity for a rider who passed. I'm doing photos there, so I'm just saying if you show up at that event, I'll definitely get photos of your bike for sure.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah, yeah.
I just gotta clean her up and stuff like that, but hell yeah.
Hey man, it's a beast either way.
When is it?
I think May 8th, Steel Stacks. It's a big event.
You know what time?
I think it starts at like 11 and goes like till like 3 or 4.
What is they live? It's like a Sunday or something?
It's I think Saturday.
Saturday?
Yeah, it's like Saturday kind of midday, so it's like chill time of day. There's gonna be food. There's gonna be all kinds of stuff.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, it'll be a party, man.
Fuck yeah.
Wicked.
What is this? What year is that?
It's 2022.
CFMoto. I was gonna buy one. It was I think it was a 400.
Yeah. Yeah, the 450s are awesome.
I was like,
Yeah. I
don't like the style.
Yeah.
Then, cause this one, I kind of like dropped it, and then I was like, say I dropped it around here.
I got you.
I was like, fuck this, I don't want to ride her no more, this and that.
Yeah.
But then my buddy had the flaring. This is not the original flaring.
Gotcha.
So he was like, yo, just borrow it, get yours painted, do whatever. And whenever you're done, just give them back. I was like, fuck yeah, dude.
Dude, that's awesome. Yeah.
So I just got done putting 2 brand new rotors today. I was like, let me take it for a ride and see what's going on.
Yeah. Dude, that's fantastic. Yeah, you have a good ride, man.
Yeah, no doubt. You too.
Beauty. Well, that was sick. That dude was tight. He's got some new rotors in his bike. Not sure if you heard. Going for a little ride. He was looking at the 450 of these. And I can see why. I have been looking at those myself. Greenleaf. Let's see. Where are we? I think we can go one more. Yeah, that's right. This is the stop. 4-way stop. We cruise down here. Down to Dippy's Touchless Car Wash. How do you wash the car if you can't touch it? That's what I want to know.